In this video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Threads account. This method works on both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. First open Threads app on your mobile. Now go to your profile page by tapping profile icon located at the bottom right side. On the profile page, tap two horizontal lines located at the top right side. This will opens up settings menu. Now on the settings page, tap account option. Now tap second option, which is deactivate profile. Note that when you deactivate your Threads profile, this is temporary. Your profile, threads, replies and likes will be hidden until you reactivate your profile. You can reactivate your profile by simply logging back. Now to deactivate Threads profile or account, tap deactivate Threads profile button at the bottom and your Threads account will be deactivated. So that is how you can deactivate Threads account. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.